lovely creatives, and welcome back to another solo episode of the Creative Juggle Joy podcast. I'm Kaylie, coming to you from North Wales, where evenings are drawing in, the kettle is almost permanently on, and half the mums I know are already panicking that Christmas is basically tomorrow. And if you're a creative business owner, handmade seller, artist, or digital creator, this time of year can feel, well, like someone hit fast forward without warning. Orders pick up, holiday markets kick off, inboxes get busier, and suddenly you're not just making things, you're dealing with customer questions, sale deadlines, last minute buyers, and the general sensory chaos of peak season. Today's episode is your creative business survival guide, specifically around sales, boundaries, ethical urgency, and keeping yourself grounded as the holiday rush ramps up. Think of this as your calm little corner in a noisy season. Peak season is magical, absolutely. Your art becomes gifts, your creativity literally becomes part of someone's holiday memories, but it's also the season where deadlines matter, customers get emotional, inboxes get wild, and creators feel pressure to bend their own boundaries. A few "can you still honour this price" messages, "I missed the deadline, can you extend it" DM. And suddenly you're questioning everything. So today we're grounding into what's healthy, ethical, legally safe sales boundaries look like. Ethical urgency without the ick. Urgency can feel icky when used wrong. We've all seen the fake 10 minutes left timers that reset every time you blink. But ethical urgency, that's just clarity. Your buyers are overwhelmed people in November and December. Kids, meals, jobs, last minute shopping, their brains are juggling more than your average circus act. When you clearly communicate, when your sale ends, when bonuses are removed, when shipping cutoffs hit, and when stock is actually limited, you're helping them make the decision they already want to make. Ethical urgency is not pressure, it's support, it's information, it's helping someone follow through. And of course, it has to be honest. No fake scarcity, no looped timers, no ends tonight messages that magically repeat every day. This is exactly why I put together the Ethical Countdown and Urgency Guide for creatives, to help creatives feel confident using deadlines without stepping into sleazy territory. Boundaries protect you and your customers. Let's talk about the classic holiday inbox messages. "I missed the deadline. Can I still get the sales price? Could you extend it for me? I wasn't online. Can I get the bonus? I've been following you for ages. Can I have a special discount? I'm a loyal customer. I bought from you several times. Please, can I have this cheaper?" And because we're kind-hearted humans, we want to help. We want to be reasonable. We want to be nice. But here's the important truth. Saying yes can actually break consumer protection laws. Across the UK, US, Canada, and Australia, it's considered misleading to extend a fixed deadline privately, honour expired discounts individually, offer exclusive bonuses after the fact, or restart a limited time sale without transparency. So when you hold the boundary, you're not being awkward, you're being compliant, consistent, and fair. That is why I created the Handling Customer Queries and Extension Requests Guide, to help you respond with kindness and firmness at the same time. Real talk, lessons from my own personal experience with my own business and with client businesses. I've had everything go wrong at some point. Countdown timers that glitched, coupons that didn't switch off or at the wrong time zone, sales pages still showing the wrong price, or people messaging me at 11 p.m. saying, "Kaylie, your timer is still running." Peak season brain is very real. Those moments taught me: track every countdown and coupon. Use expiry dates and automated coupon shut-offs. Add redirect pages so expired offers lead to either the full price version or to a expired offer page. i.e., it says this offer is now expired. and just give them links to your other offers or information pages. Fix things quickly and honestly. Communicate transparently. People appreciate it more than perfection. Trust me, if you know wrong, there's been a mistake, make sure you fix it quickly and as honestly as possible. Make sure to email your audience. Here are 3 gentle but firm responses you can keep in your pocket. 1, for missed deadlines. Thank you so much for reaching out. That promotion ended at midnight and I need to keep it consistent for everyone. It's also part of consumer law, but the full price version is still available. I can't extend this one, but there will be more seasonal offers soon. For loyalty discount requests, I appreciate you so much. All discounts are tied to official promotions, so I can't offer them individually, but you'll always be the first to hear about new ones. See? Kind, warm, professional, and boundaries intact. And they are just little templates you could use. Obviously, personalise them to yourself, but keep the core message. Peak season survival tips. Here's your sanity saving list. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Simplify your launches. Batch emails and posts in advance as much as possible. Create a reply library for frequently asked questions. Communicate deadlines clearly. Protect your evenings. Peak season is not 24/7 DM your duty. Take proper or email replies. Don't do it. Take proper breaks. And remember, your work is valuable all year, not just during sales. You are not Amazon Prime. You're a human running a creative business. And humans need rest, especially in November and December. Tools, timers, and staying legally safe during peak season. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a few practical tools and recommendations, because boundaries are one thing, but systems are how we survive the season with our nerves intact. Let's talk about countdown timers, because I know so many creatives worry about using them incorrectly. Fixed timers versus evergreen timers. What's the difference? Fixed timers are seasonal, date-based timers. For example, sale ends on 30th of November at midnight. Black Friday deal ends Monday at midnight. Shipping cut-offs for Christmas is 12th of December. So they're set deadlines with a date. These must end exactly when you say they will. They're perfect for live launches, holiday sales, bonuses, and real-time events. Evergreen timers start when someone joins an email list or enters a funnel or clicks on a page. For example, you get 48 hours to grab this new subscriber bonus. The evergreen timers can be fully ethical and legally compliant. Each subscriber gets a unique private offer. The deal is not advertised publicly as a fixed deadline. The timer is tied to their own automation and ends automatically with no loopholes, especially if someone can't go through a welcome sequence again. As long as you've got that turned off, they're not going to see that timer come back up. They only see that offer once for them. The important part is this. You cannot promote an evergreen timer publicly as ending tonight if it is not tied to a real fixed deadline. These evergreen ones, they're usually set for a period of time, not set on a fixed date, like a 15-minute timer. As soon as they hit that page, it counts down to 15 minutes and then it's expired. They won't see that again. As you can't fake limited time deals by resetting timers on a public page, that's where creators get into legal trouble. Evergreen is fine when it's private, individual, and automated. Fixed is fine when it's public, genuine, and consistent. Timer tools I recommend for creatives. All support ethical use, no dodgy manipulative features. Although some may still have those features, just make sure you turn them off or don't use them. Countdown mail works inside emails, supports both fixed and evergreen. Easy embeds. Great for MailerLite, ConvertKit, Flowdesk, or any other email in service platform you have. Deadline funnel, more advanced. It's got powerful evergreen funnels, video and webinar timers, multi-page syncing. It's expensive, but amazing if you want to scale. But there are definitely more alternatives out there. There's Countdown Hero as well. They get a lifetime deal on. Thrive Ultimatum is a WordPress thing. It's great for fixed timers on sales pages, good for course creators, and runs evergreen campaigns. Then you have the inbuilt timers that you get within some email platforms like ConvertKit. It's lightweight, simple, fixed timers, good for quick campaigns. MailerLite has a native countdown as well, easy, free and clean. Doesn't have evergreen, but it's reliable for fixed deadlines. Shopify apps like Hurrify, Ultimate Countdown Timer. Just make sure you turn off fake stock or fake cart urgency features. Use only true countdown functionality. And for creative selling on Etsy, Etsy doesn't allow countdown timers in listings, but you can use timers on your website, in your emails, on your social posts, and in your shop announcements. So sales end 3rd of December. Some workflow steps to avoid peak season panic. Step 1, write down every deadline you're using. Sales, coupons, shipping cutoffs, early bird dates. And keep reminders. Set 2 reminders for each deadline, 24 hours before and 1 hour before. Step 3, connect your coupon to your countdown timers. If the timer fails, the coupon expires anyway. And step 4, add redirect pages. Redirect it to a full price page or to a this offer has expired page. So basically just a page saying this offer has expired. You can check out the full price here or send them somewhere else on that page. It's cleaner, clearer and safer. And then step 5, screenshot your offers and save them. If you ever need to prove what your promotion terms were, you have records. This is standard legal practice. And step 6, communicate clearly. Confusion kills sales faster than anything. And a quick legal reminder, in human words. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just someone who's spent a lot of time researching this, pulling from publicly available resources and navigating it with my own promotions and client launches. So if you're ever unsure about whether your deadline wording is allowed, whether an evergreen sequence counts as a fixed offer, whether a particular tool is legally compliant in your country, please check with a qualified legal professional or your local consumer protection authority. It's always better to be safe, especially when you're building trust with your buyers. So that's your creative business survival guide for peak season, a blend of ethical urgency, firm but kind boundaries, and giving yourself space to breathe through the holiday rush. If you want help implementing any of this, the 2 guides I created on ethical urgency and handling customer queries can be used all year round. Your work deserves to be valued and your time deserves to be respected. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow or subscribe so you never miss an update. You can find all the links, resources and extras mentioned in today's episode in the show notes and in the description of the episode. If you want to keep the conversation going, come and join us over on Instagram or Threads. I'm at Spellweaver Creative Studio. Dolores is at Dolores Art Canada. We love hearing your takeaways and seeing what you're creating. Until next time, keep creating, keep juggling, and keep finding joy in your creative journey. See you in the next episode.